Now then everybody, quick update on my old soulmate, the Zephyr. I'll have to get a name for this car, won't I really? It's all up and running. It was bad coil, we've got it back alive, but there's some more maintenance I want to do, and I've just put a new back box on it, so I thought I'd have a bit of a peep underneath. And I mean, back box one thing, I mean that wouldn't have helped with noise. It sounds a lot sweeter now. We've got good back pressure, because obviously, I mean you probably can't see it for sun, but it would add it. But it's been repaired before. It's not a standard system anyhow. I've put a Ford on, so but we've made a job of it, and we've got proper back pressure. I've just squared end up actually, because it was a bit all over, but I thought I'd show you underneath, because there's a few bits I want you to see. I mean, I have to excuse all this water. That's Bullet. He's been having a wash off and has been determined to drown me, but that's how it is. Anyhow, if we get under here, as you can see, we've got a new system, complete. It's an original system, proper system. I mean, it's all done properly. I mean, I don't know how well you can see under this car, but it's pretty factory. It's getting ready for a Lanny guard, and I've noticed a few jobs. I mean, I took the disc protectors off quite a while back to blast them up and sort them out. Now, I'm just looking here, I've got a caliper that's not working 100% because we've not got no shiny on this side. It's probably trying to do something, but it's not 100%, so we'll deal with that. We need to sort that problem out. I mean, what I will do with this car, because I'll show you how these calipers work, but what I do, I always have spare sets of rear calipers, and I'll just put a new set on it, set it all back up, and then I'll just go through these calipers and double check everything's right. But everything else is sweet. I mean, I don't know how well you can see, because it's like a bit awkward under here, but the car's, well, it's like brand new. Well, bear in mind this car sat in a showroom for 21 years, and then I've actually put a new seal on the tank as well not long back. But we also have got on this side, if you look here, I don't know how well you can see, we've got it there, look, we've got that oil shocker. So she wants a pair of back shocks. Well, I'll do a pair, I'm not going to put one on, because over it'll go wrong. And this caliper's working, but not great, but they do look a bit ropey, these discs. I mean, they seem to take a bit of a hiding. I don't know why. Probably might have at some time had a set of pads in that have failed, but it hasn't done many miles. But and well, I'll put a pair of discs on, and while I'm at it, I'll put a pair of wheel bearings in. I've got them all, but I just thought you might want to look under here, and you can see what the car is. And I'll give it to Lanny guard as well, and then you can see how that all carries off. But it's time for a bit of maintenance. I mean, I've got a few more issues on the bonnet, as I said to you, because I'm running lean. So, but we've got back pressure now on exhaust, so we can find the, well, we'll see what we're doing a bit better with mixture of that. But and I've got the issue with the distributor, so I'm gonna fire up for you. Quiet enough for the exhaust now. That idle seems a bit low, but how am I? It's not right wound, to be quite honest. That's a bit cold. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the inlet manifold off, because obviously there's an air leak somewhere, because it is lean. And while I can do it, I can actually get into dizzy front back. I can actually get round bottom and free it up, so that'll be a bit more for you to see. But as you can see, everything's back normal. So just another quick catch up for you, because I know some of you quite like this car, and a quick review underneath and a few issues that will get dealt with, and we'll sort it out. Because I've just had a message to actually Buckingham's, I think it is Zephyr and Consult Zephyr Zodiac Club, and 120 days to their meat. Well, I missed their meat last year. Well, I won't be missing it this year, so I mean, let you have a listen front back now. Burning a bit of condensation off. So that's a new system on. Fun to do a few jobs, a few more gremlins, but it does drive alright, but I still need to sort that leanness out, because if I'm going to go down there and trundling down motorway, well, I don't want to be dropping a valve or burning a valve out or burning a piston, because they all keep saying these cars are not very good. Well, I've had a letdown with it on a coil, but I don't suppose we can moan at that. So give it a like if you like video, everybody. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this car, because it's always on my channel. And pass a comment and I'll come back to you. And just out of curiosity, a lot of people ask me about this car, but oh, does it break down a lot? Is that what car? But no, it goes off at dash when sunshine on it, so the dash don't crack. So take care, everybody. Have a great day, and bye for now.